Right, boys and girls, we're back again with little 2TT over there. I'll have to show you the side of his bike in a sec because he had a little mishap. But we're heading to go get some pictures because I've got no Instagram content. Gotta go buy me a new helmet, probably the Nolan helmet, and probably grab some food because I'm starving already. So we're just gonna ride to wherever we're riding to. He's gonna have to lead the way because I don't know where I'm going. But yeah. And I'm gonna have to blur his fucking plate. So, you ready, mate?
Do you wanna hear the best intro ever?
What's that?
Right! So, with this trick, we're gonna go do some shit, and then we're gonna go do some stuff. Enjoy!
My bike sounds so fucking loud, like in my helmet. Never sounds this loud normally. No, because I'm the mechanic and you're not. Oh no, mate, honestly. No, it does. I don't do clutch up still yet because I actually now like I've been off the bike for too long, so I'm not used to even just riding it, and it does feel a bit weird since they fucking ruined it. Like my handlebars, it feels a bit more vibraty than normal, and I don't know why. I don't know whether they've maybe twisted the top yoke and the bottom yoke ever so slightly when they're trying to break the steering lock. So I'm going to have a look over this weekend. I like having no mirrors, but I also hate not having no mirrors because on my bike, for some reason I can never fully turn my whole body. I've always struggled to turn my full body to look behind me. Just so wham, innit? You'd think it'd be easier on a naked bike, but I've struggled this whole time. Yeah, but I struggle so much, mate. I don't know what it is. I can't wheelie though. Yeah, I did a wheelie as well the whole time behind you. You just wouldn't be able to see. Nah, you wouldn't even see me in the mirror, mate. Front wheel was up. Would have blocked the view. Is it on? Yeah, I think so. Is it red?
Yeah. Bad man.
Is your thing on? Oh, there we go. Right, life of a Yamaha. You know? No, because what if I get scared? Thing is, like, you know how uncomfy my legs get? Like, look at my leg angle trying to touch my rear brake. Do you know how Yeah, no, but like, even just now, I have cramp just doing that. Yeah, because look how like arched up my legs are. If I go on like the balls of my feet, how you're sort of like meant to ride when you want to just steer and not use the back brake, like my legs are so cramped up. I need to get lower rear sets, but they're also like a couple £100 if you get decent ones. I'm sure I could probably just get some AliExpress ones, but maybe in a little bit of the light. What do you reckon? Which way do you want to face? Shadow, sun's going this way, so face this way. So like we're face the sun, or yeah, is that right? I don't know how you do pictures, mate. Your the stick you put in didn't even go under. Yeah. There we go. My bike's so dirty, bruv. I need a piss bad as well. Right, boys, me and 𝗦𝗽cie in this hiding spot, you know. Some of you may know where it is, but a lot of you won't, and no one's going to tell you. He's trying to cook up on my iPhone 16 Plus, you know. That's how we do. He's the photographer. Just catching, grabbing a few pickies, and then we're going to head to Infinity to hopefully get 2 new lids. I've decided I'm going to get one track one, just bang it on track, and then one for the road, because this one is not hurting me as much today, but my head still hurts. And obviously Mr. Helmet Man himself will take me through what to put on, you know. Boys, look at this stance. Look at the legs. Don't put the broken fairings in. I think I'm going to buy a set of MTO. That's what I was saying earlier. I'm going to buy a set of MT07 or MT09 alloys, whichever's cheaper, because they're both the same fitment. And then buy some off-road tyres and then do an off-road video. What do you reckon? Take the X5 of the trailer, take the bike there and go some off-roading, innit? Go to Wales, mate. Off-road in the Wales countryside. Fuck it. Green lane on an MT09. Don't know if I told you, boys. It's easier to wheelie now with these smaller bars, the standard bars. See my little 360 cam stick matches the colourway on the bike, black and gold. Oh fuck! Slipping and sliding and everything. Also, the boys that tried to steal the bike left their fingerprints on the wheel. Look, you can see them there. That means that I haven't washed the bike yet. What would the police do, mate? They just tell me to contact insurance and put my fucking insurance fees up, which I ain't gonna do. And if anyone wants to swap seats, I'll take an MT09 Gen 2 comfort seat. This one's nice, but yeah, it's a bit too armchairy. Puts me too far forward. Did you cook? I don't edit though. Bro got sun glare in there.
I think it looks quite cool though.
What the fuck was that?
I had to get the broken bit.
Oh, you're getting videos as well. Bro got the dirty ass bike. Gee, is that me?
Yeah.
I look a bit camp there. Jeez. They look alright actually. Oh! I stalled. See if I can do it again. Bro's a gangster, mate. Oh, I see what I mean. Yeah, do you reckon my bike needs to be turned in a little bit? Oh, okay. But look at that sun, look. Fucking hell, mate. Boys, I do actually love this 09. I think I'm going to do a review video soon, because I've had it for long enough now. When did I buy it? May? Sorry, do you say back in your primal settings? You get me cancelled, mate. Yeah, mate, that's what, I'll let you do it. You're a bit better than me. You're a bit better than me. Oh, this could be the thumbnail, boys. One second, let me wash that dusty old camera. Yeah, that, I mean, yes, you could, yeah, stay there. It's fine. He wanted my dick, I swear to God. Wait, one sec. What, over here? Like here? I just touched my kickstand, thought it was going to fall. But how should I stand, like this? Right, boys, got the 360 cam on. Look at that. I don't even know if it's doing it properly, actually. I think it is. We'll soon find out. Gang, gang. I don't even know how to work it, so I just chucked in like some settings that I found online, and I don't actually know how you set up the actual view. Because look, when I turn that round, after this, quick one. Really 5 times in the space of 10 minutes already today. I'll turn you down so I can record. Alright, boys, we're like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, like 30 seconds. Ugh. Mate, I always forget which way to turn the wheel to turn you down. Alright, boys, we're going to head to Farnborough Infinity because they just got the Nolan helmets in, so they have all my sizes. So, go try them on the size. Are you parking outside the shop or on the road? Yeah, too late, mate. I forgot that I turned you down a lot in it, so like now I can't hear you. Right, boys, we're going to go inside, try some helmets on. I probably won't record because I like giving people their privacy. So I'll catch you boys in a sec. Right, boys, we just got done in Infinity Motorcycles. We got a Nolan X804 RS Picasso Dianti Chianti something, yeah? 𝗦𝗫cie, something like that, yeah? It's a big black carbon fibre helmet. Actually, you took a picture of me wearing one. It's a BBC helmet, big black carbon. Boys, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Sheesh. Your boy does look like a bowling ball, but like, just not that bad. So, we got that thanks to this man. Got it for a decent price, little discount. Now, I'm gonna head to 𝗦𝗫𝗶𝗶𝗶. He's gonna go home. And then when the helmet arrives, I'll do a little unboxing video and a little fitment. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, this is where me and 2TT part ways. Sadly. Till next time, which will be like two months. No, it won't be that long. I'll be out extra now because I'll have a nice helmet and I'll look cool. Ish. But yeah. But right, brother. He's got a bad hand. He's been wanking too much. But cheers, mate. I'll see you soon, yeah? Right, boys, so we've got 18% battery and I need to get to 𝗦𝗫𝗶𝗶 to meet the boys, and I need to go buy a wire because my phone's about to die! You alright? Yeah. On my way to my house.